I think in our space, there's a lot of people who just think, okay, you're just setting up a Facebook ad. Like that's what you're charging me to set up or to set a camera on a tripod and hit record. It's like, no. You need to see all the stuff that goes into these different things. And I think that's really valuable to show.
Yeah, I had a guy hire me once. This was going way back. I was shooting like a car show or something, just, super cheap. This might have been like while I was still in college.
Yeah.
But I charged the guy for the day and was going to put together a little edit. And he told all the sponsors that I would go to each one of their businesses and shoot a little video for them in their business. And he's like, what, you can't go shoot commercials for them? And I was like, you didn't tell me anything about that.
How many sponsors were there?
Probably like 10. And the best part is the guy goes, what, you just go grab your camera, just go point it around and you got your video. And that's why I always say, like, just grab your camera, because I get it from that guy. He, like, ever since that day, I'm just like, that's what people on the outside look at when they look on the inside.
And that goes back to